In Japan, not every home has an oven in the kitchen, but that's no excuse to suffer in silence. With a little ingenuity and a secret weapon hiding in plain sight, you can cook up a storm, no matter what the size of your space. Say hello to the fish grill.
私が大好きな魚グリルがございます。
Don't let the name fool you, it's not just for making sizzling salmon. This unsung hero can toast, grill, bake, and roast like a champion. And do you know this little gadget? It's for making takoyaki, a popular Japanese street food that originated in Osaka. First, we're diving into the 15 mind-blowing ways to transform your fish grill into a culinary powerhouse. Then, we're going to find some fun ways to use that takoyaki machine. So let's get started. Number 1, perfect toast every time. Forget clunky toasters or bulky toaster ovens. Your fish grill can churn out golden crispy toast in minutes, saving precious counter space while you're at it. Breakfast just got a whole lot easier. Number 2, gooey grilled cheese. Bread? Check. Cheese? Check. Grilled cheese? Not so common in Japan, until now. Slap those ingredients in your fish grill and bam! You've got a melty masterpiece that'll make you wonder why you didn't think about this years ago. Number 3, grilled veggies that pop. Toss in some bell peppers, eggplant, zucchini, or shiitake mushrooms. Drizzle on some soy sauce, a dab of miso, a pinch of salt. You got some beautiful, flavor-packed veggies that steal the show. No fancy grill required. Number 4, pork wrapped asparagus. You've seen this izakaya classic on menus all over Japan. Why head out when you can wrap tender asparagus in savory pork, grill it to perfection, and enjoy the bar food at home, minus the tab? Number 5, yakitori without the chaos. Tokyo's yakitori joints are legendary for being overcrowded, smoky, and loud. Skip the hassle, fire up your fish grill, grab a cold beer or glass of sake, skewer some chicken, and savor the yakitori goodness in peace. Number 6, revive fried favorites. Got leftover tempura or croquettes? Don't let the microwave turn them into a soggy, gooey mess. Pop them in the fish grill and bring them back to life. Irresistible crunch, crispy perfection every time. Number 7, elevate your game with some gourmet stuffed mushrooms. Packed with flavor and grilled to juicy perfection, these upscale bites will leave your date speechless and your kitchen smelling divine. Number 8, mini pizza magic. Craving pizza? Warm up leftovers or make your own pizza toast. Put some cheese, some sauce on a piece of toast, warm out that fish grill, and you got your own personal pizzeria. Small scale, big flavor. Number 9, half dozen cookie control. Bake a dozen cookies and I'll eat a dozen cookies, guaranteed. But with the fish grill, you can whip up half a dozen at a time, and that should be enough. Portion control meets cookie bliss. Number 10, tiny cakes for any occasion. Solo birthday? No problem. Bake a small cake or even a muffin or two in your fish grill. It's just enough to celebrate without the crowd and prove that you don't need a big oven to indulge. Number 11, croissant mastery. Ready for a challenge? Bake a flaky, buttery croissant. Remember, this grill can reach temperatures of 300 Celsius to 570 Fahrenheit, so adjust for the intense heat and you'll be savoring those Parisian vibes at home. Number 12, roasted nuts and seeds. Spread some sesame seeds, almonds, or peanuts on a tray and let the fish grill do its magic. A nutty aroma fills the air, perfect for snacks or sprinkling on your next salad. Number 13, baked potatoes, Japanese style. Potatoes are a staple in Japan, but baked potatoes are hard to find in restaurants. Grill up a classic or maybe sweet potato. No street vendor required. Comfort food redefined. Number 14, mochi madness. Toasted mochi in a fish grill? Yes, please. Crispy outside, chewy inside, perfect for a snack or in a bowl of ozoni. Traditional meets innovation. And my favorite, number 15, bacon. Because everything's better with bacon. Now let's open up that takoyaki machine and make some snacks. Number 1, mini pancake bites. Whip up a standard pancake batter. For variety, stir in some blueberries, chocolate chips, some mashed banana, or even a sprinkle of cinnamon. In 2 to 3 minutes, you'll have golden brown, fluffy pancake bites. Number 2, meatball poppers. Use your favorite ground meat with breadcrumbs, egg, minced garlic, salt, pepper, and herbs like parsley or oregano. Roll up some meatballs, grease up the pan, and in 5 to 7 minutes, you'll be looking for some sauce, barbecue sauce, marinara, or some tangy mustard. Number 3, cheese stuffed bites. Make some batter, drop a cheese cube in the mold, then pour batter over the cube. You might have to flip them once, but in 3 to 4 minutes, you'll have a gooey snack or appetizer. Number 4, cornbread balls. Mix some cornbread batter, stir in things like diced jalapenos, shredded cheddar, or crumbled bacon for texture and flavor. Serve warm with a smear of honey butter or a bowl of chili for dipping. They're a cozy side or a standalone treat. Number 5, egg bites. Time for breakfast. Beat some eggs with a splash of milk, some salt and pepper. Add things like shredded cheese, diced onion, spinach, mushrooms, or ham. Grease the mold to avoid sticking in 3 to 5 minutes. you'll have a grab-and-go snack that will disappear. Number 6, dessert pops. Use some brownie mix, cake mix, or cookie dough batter. Maybe add a spoon of jam or peanut butter to the center after you put some batter in the mold. Then cover with more batter. You'll have to flip them halfway through, but in 4 to 6 minutes, you'll be dusting them with powdered sugar, covering them with icing, or drizzling them with chocolate sauce. You can roll them in chopped nuts and have a dessert that nobody can resist. Number 7, potato puffs. Mix some leftover mashed potatoes with an egg, shredded cheese, chopped chives, and a pinch of garlic powder. Spoon them directly into the greased mold. Turn them once, and in 5 to 7 minutes, you'll be popping potato puffs. Number 8, falafel balls. Who doesn't have an extra can of chickpeas sitting around in the pantry? Mix those up with some garlic, some spices like onion, parsley, cumin, coriander, a bit of flour, some baking powder. Oil up the grill, make some falafel balls in 5 to 6 minutes. Make sure to flip them for extra crunchy exterior. They won't be as deep fried as traditional falafels, but they'll still be delicious. Number 9, rice ball snacks. Use sticky sushi rice, press a small amount into each mold, add some filling like some fish, some tuna, some salmon, maybe umeboshi, and top with some more rice. You can brush on some soy sauce for extra flavor while cooking. Sprinkle with sesame seeds or nori flakes. Number 10, cocktail appetizers. We're moving from street food to cocktail parties. Make a savory dough or use some puff pastry. Fill with seafood like salmon or prawns. Add some cream cheese and herbs or a mushroom. Shape these into balls and press them into the molds. Arrange them on a platter with toothpicks. Perfect for an upscale gathering. These ideas leverage the Takoyaki grill's unique shape and even heating to create bite-sized delights. The possibilities are endless. Mix and match fillings, adjust cooking times for texture, and play around with the seasonings. Which one are you tempted to try first? Tell me in the comments below.